Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. If you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. But as you can see here, I have two boxes here. Basically one is from Foot Action and then the other one is from Yeezy Supply. So let's crack this open right here. These released before the new year. But I've just been too busy with work and all. I just haven't had a chance to unbox them. But let's crack them open right here. It is a 350 box right here. And let's crack this other one from Yeezy Supply. Also a 350 box as well. So you can see they are both the same shoe. Again, there's a Yeezy Boost 350 V2, size 10.5. Colorway is Yecheil, and Yecheil. So if you know by the colorway, these are the V2 Yecheil. So let's crack this open right here. Again, same box. And here are the shoes. Again, colorway is a little bit different from what Kanye has been releasing lately, you know, with the neutral colors. So this one is more of a mashup of different colors, as you can see, which is very nice to see. You got the black bottom, you got the exposed boost right there. Then over here you got more of a black and like a pinkish color clay. Then you have the neon, neon yellow right there. Got some reds and blues, got blacks. So it's a nice, nice change from, again, the neutral colors from the previous V2s that he's been releasing. Here's the other pair right here. And you can, it is still a semi see-through right here. That's striped, but it's not as see-through. And this is the other pair right here. Again, the same thing. It's also a 10.5 as well. And let's see, that's the other pair. So again, just a quick look at the shoe. So there you go. All right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube, peace out.